friends, this is Helen from Land Pack. Now I'm in our multi-land packing machine workshop. Behind me is our Pharmaceutical stick bag packing machine. Today I would like to show you how our Pharmaceutical stick bags packing machine working. It's full automatic packing line for pneumatic powder stick bags. The packing line including the storage tank, mixer tank, second storage tank, stick bag packing machine, output feeding conveyor, and the weight checker. It's a full automatic packing line. Firstly, it is a storage tank. This is 300-liter storage tank. It is a full stainless 304 material, and it has the removable wheels to easily to remove for daily cleaning for the production. And inside we make the mirror processing stainless 304 for easy cleaning and for medical safety. The vacuum feeder will auto feeding the powder materials from the storage tank to the mixer tank. The mixer tank will auto mixing the powder materials as required. And after finish the mixing, and it could auto release the powder materials to the storage tank. These two storage tanks has auto vibration and feeding function by the independent electric box control for easy operation. The stick bag packing machine requires the vacuum feeder to auto vacuum feeding the powder products to the auger screw filler system. The auger screw filling system controlled by the servo motor drive so that for the higher accuracy filling the powder to the bag. Each auger screw has the independent auger screw servo drive control, and with the customized auger screws with the anti-link device depend the powder product feature to filling the powder stably and with higher accuracy. At the same time, when the powder filling by the auger screws, we have the vacuum dust removable machine system to removing the powder to make the bag filling clean and filling firmly and nice. High accuracy processing former, vertical cutter, and high harness cutter to filling the bags firmly and nice. The machine forming and making the stick bags by servo drive for higher accuracy and higher efficiency. Simon PLC system control the packing machine, and we can set the bed length here for freely on the touch screen for easy operation. And also we can see the total output here for the each batch production and the actual packing speed here. Also you can clearly to see. And also we can adjust the filling volume here on touch screen and keep reserved for memo for easy operation. After the powder stick bags filling and cutting, it will be auto output to the output feeding conveyor. The conveyor is controlled by the servo motor drive to output feeding the stick bags high accuracy to the weight checker. The weight checker will be checking the weight as required. The qualified products will be output directly to the boxes, and unqualified products it will be output by the belt here. This is the operation touchscreen for the weight checker. We can set the target weight, minimum weight, max weight as request on the touchscreen. And also we can see the exactly weight for each length, for each pieces here on the touchscreen, the total output, and the qualified product percentage data on touch screen. It's very clearly for the customers to check the data for the production.